Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IFTTT for app integrations productivity boosts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.ifttt.com and press enter. Wait for the IFTTT homepage to load. Look for the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first text box provided. In the next field, type in your password. If you prefer to log in using Google, click on the Sign in with Google option. Follow the prompts to complete the Google sign-in process. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be taken to your IFTTT dashboard. Here, you can view active applets and create new integrations. Explore various categories for different app integrations. Choose the ones that best fit your productivity needs. Familiarize yourself with the interface for seamless navigation. Now you're ready to enjoy the productivity boosts IFTTT offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.